Oh shit. Here we go again.
Hey people, Kiara here from My Digital Affiliate, and today we're going to be promoting a $25 all-in-one digital business using Mind Lead Gen Secrets and ChatGPT. Alright, so first off, the reason why we use the $25 business to promote is because it's affiliate system, which is 80% recurring income. That means you get paid 80% for every product in the system, and a couple of those products paid monthly. So you can make a ton of money real fast, guys. So if you're interested in following along, make sure to like, comment, subscribe, hit that notification bell. Let's get started. All right, so first and foremost, we're gonna look and see what our results look like here. Okay, it looks like we did get a sale yesterday, that $20 right there. So we're gonna refresh the page to show real results, so you know how that works. Like, you gotta refresh the page to show results that are actually real here. So we're gonna do that. All right, looks like we did get a sale, guys.
Nice.
Yes, indeed. Looks like we did get a sale. So anyway, guys, what we're gonna do here, first and foremost, it gets your affiliate link. This is the link that I use. You can try any of these links if you want to. This is the one I use personally. This is what Income Speech takes you to. So, and that's the next step. Like, go to the description there, click on Income Speech. That's gonna take you to the page here. This page here is basically the all-in-one $25 business sales letter. Now, what is the all-in-one $25 business? If you are interested, it's essentially a funnel builder. That's what it is. It builds a funnel builder, and it's a very fantastic one, which is has no real limits on it at all. For $25 per month, anybody that build funnel builders, build business with funnels, knows that's a fantastic deal. And also, they give back to charity as well. If you're interested in that, they feed people, feed African kids and stuff like that, orphans and whatnot. So yeah, guys, it's a pretty solid company and stuff. It's very easy to opt out of stuff. It's very easy to opt in. You don't have to mail them and wait 3 days for them to mail you back, stuff like that. So they might be able to charge you again and stuff like that. No, you just go to it. You say, hey, I don't want to be subscribed no more. It's done. You don't gotta talk to nobody. Just do it. So it's a lot of up and up when it comes to this company, which makes me like it a whole lot more. All right, guys. So anyway, you read over all of this stuff here, figure out, hey, I want to try this out. By the way, the sales page, it got a lot of words here explaining everything if you want to look into it. Okay, but once you decide, hey, I want to try this out, you just click on that. Right, it's gonna take you to this page here. You put in your information. Put in your information, and boom, it's $25 per month, guys. That's what it called, the $25 business. You start with $25. So here's one more thing I want to explain here. This right here is HBA Premium, which is basically training for every social or ads or anything like that. Solo ads, podcasting, teach you how to podcast something, blogging, how to make money in a bunch of different ways. Basically, setting up ads for one. You can just set up an ad and just go, right? And you can purchase that. I mean, you can have that for 14 days free if you use my link, incomespeech.com, guys. You gotta use incomespeech.com. Might not get it. So yeah, you click on that. Boom, boom, boom. Get that for free 14 days. And the coolest part about this is that if you get a sale in this, product, you guys keep that money, even though you haven't paid for the product yet. You know what I mean? Because you technically own it. 14 days for free. All right, so that's cool and all that. So anyway, after that, you need a way to promote the product, and that's when you go to my second link, which will take you to this page here, my lead gen secrets. Right, so my lead gen secrets, what it essentially is, you get 100 leads every single day, guys. Every single day that you can email once per day. All right, so you can get put in let me think. So you can get, what you get is 100 people that you can mail a day, every single day. And what's cool about it is that they are all interested in making money. But let me clarify something. These are cold leads. That means they have no idea who you are, nothing like that. They're just interested in making money. That's all we know about them. All right, guys. So I want to make sure I don't deliver expectations or anything like that, and make a promise more than I can deliver on the speak. Now, don't worry about if you don't have a ton of leads like I do here. It doesn't matter. I've gotten sales with just 100 leads before. It happens all the time. And honestly, this is my worst account. I have multiple accounts in this program. This is my worst account, and I still make money with it, making these videos with you guys. So chances are you're gonna have a way better account than mine. But this is my worst one. I got 10 accounts, all of them work better than this. So what we're gonna do here, we're gonna load up an email here that we can post here. And the cool thing, if you guys can't come up with emails, you simply go to ChatGPT to write one. All right, simply go to ChatGPT, write you one. Right, it's that simple. And basically what I do is tell it to create an email similar to the last one. And the first email I told it to write is I made it go based on my email that I wrote myself. That's what I did. So anyway, guys, we just gonna post this. That button there, let it write. Get 4,000. I'm gonna copy that, and we're just gonna put it. Then what we're gonna do, then you okay, paste it in. Okay. Now we're gonna grab this link here. This is my affiliate link. Just grab the link, hit it right here. Oh, and there. Now we can delete this. A couple more things we need. Here we need link here. All of these emojis. Okay, so hold it. Anything like that. Hold it. Pretty good. I'm gonna get rid of all of these, all the emojis, and try to pop them in the area about it not being. You ever get that error trying to send an email? I just want to show you this just in case you get this error, and you don't just, I know how to show you guys how to make sure. All right, so that's all there is to, guys. And then you're gonna hit perfect timing. That's gonna send an email around time people check emails. All right, guys. And also you want to and you want to make sure your link works, because if your link works, there's no point in sending the email. So it looks pretty good. I'm gonna go with this. Solid. I'm gonna send an email. That's all there is to it. Just that simple. Very simple, very easy, very quick. And once you got a ton of emails in the system, that's all you gotta do is just send them over and over again. Right? Once you get about, say, 15 to 30 emails in the system, you can just rotate them, and it works. All right, guys. And all you have to really do is just come into my lead gen secrets every morning and send an email. That's it. So yeah, guys, like I said before, make sure to like, comment, subscribe. Make sure to hit that notification bell, and I'll see you guys next time. Peace.